Morning children, this is our GK class, page number 6 and 7. Page number 6 and 7. Lesson 2 and 3. Okay, in your book you see lesson 2 here. TV. TV means what? Television. TV means television. Okay, we will watch television in our home. All of you know TV means what? Because you are watching TV at home, no? So in the TV we can watch movie, serial, singing, we can listen sing, we can know news and cartoon also. Okay, so many things we can watch with TV. So TV is the popular technology. TV is the popular technology. Yes, then you see we are watching TV, the cartoon. You see here so many cartoons picture. So in the help box you see there are name. Inside the help box, what it is have? Help box inside name. Here is picture, there are name. So I will write first number. What? First number is, I will write here. First number is what? Spider-Man. 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 Then second one is what? Donald Duck. Donald Duck. Second one is Donald Duck. Donald Duck. Third one is what? Third one is Doraemon. Third one is Doraemon. Then fourth one is Tweety. Fourth one is Tweety. Tweety. Fifth one is Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Okay. 1 number Spider-Man, 2 number Donald Duck, 3 number Doraemon, 4 number Tweety, 5 number Mickey Mouse. In your note you have to write. Okay. Then you see page number 7. Lesson 3. This one is our body. Our body. Our body means our body means this one. Okay. You see what is our body made of? What is our body made of? You see here bones, blood cells, skin, muscles, organs. Okay. Here name is there. Bones, blood cells, skin, muscles, organs. Bones means inside we have bones. Then blood means you know. Then skin means this one Then this one skin. Then muscles. Muscles means boys have so many muscles. Okay. Then organs. Organ means inside. Which one will work? The parts of our body. The parts of our body. We have 2 legs and 2 arms. We have 2 legs. How many legs? 2 legs. And arms also. This one we can say arms. Okay. 2 arms. They are called limbs. They are called what? Limbs. We have 5 sense organs. What? We have 5 sense organs. Then sense organ means here sense organs. Which one we can feel? Okay, sense. Then they eyes to see. Eyes. We have 2 eyes. Eyes. With eyes we can see all the things. Okay. Then we can divide it also. These things is that things. These things we can know with eyes. The ear to hear. Ear to hear. With any sound we can hear. Then we know this one is this sounds, that sounds. Okay. The nose to smell. The nose to smell means the smell. This one is nose. Anything we can smell, then we can identify this one is this smell, that smells. Okay. The tongue to taste and the skin to feel. The tongue, this one is tongue, but when we are eating, that time we can know taste. Okay. And the skin to feel. Skin, this is our skin. Okay. Somebody will bite some insects, we will burn it, then we can feel with skin. Okay. Some joints in our body. Some joints our body. Which one? Which parts we have jointed? Okay. You see elbow. Elbow is here. This is jointed. Then legs. Ankle. Ankle means feet. Okay. Here also have jointed. Then knee. Knee also here. That parts also join it. Okay. Waist. This one is also join it. Then shoulders. Shoulders also join it. Then we have a pair of. Pair means which parts we have two. Okay, you see here kidney. Kidney we have 2. Then lungs also we have 2. Hand also we have 2 hands. Then eyes also we have 2 eyes. Legs also we have 2. Then ears also we have 2. Okay, you see the picture and learn the names. Okay, children? Okay, today this much. Tomorrow again we will come new lessons. Okay, thank you.